Hello guys, this is my new tutorial, text flicking effect. If you want this effect for your upcoming projects, then let's get started. We're going to create a new composition. New composition. You can fix whatever width and height you require, background color, everything. It's completely up to you. And press OK. Here we got our new composition. Now we are going to type something. Future exist. Okay, it's perfect. Now we are going to do this. Click on the layer, go down, you can find this auto trace effect, and here you need to be more careful, like make sure that the channel luminance is selected, and also click on the preview so you can see what happens over here. And now you can play with the tolerance if you want. If you play with the tolerance, it's completely up to you. So lower the value, the better the result will be. Now what we are going to do, we need to create a new solid layer. Solid, click on OK. Okay, you will get a new solid color. Now you need to make sure you copy the mask, edit, copy, and you place it in this, paste. Now you can see this. Now you need to go for the effects and presets. If you can't find it over here, make sure click on window and make sure the effect and preset is ticked. And now you need to check for the effect name HLS. You see the color balance. Drag and place it over images. Now this panel opens over here. Now what we're gonna do, it's a major important effect. Now click on the effects. You can see this here. Press Alt and at the same time click on the stopwatch icon. This will open you some console. Type time star 500. This expression, I leave this expression in the description box. You just copy and paste. Done. This effect is right now done. You can preview it and see. Like right now, I just, ta-da! The effect is done for you.